The Southside Fizz, very, very simple cocktail to make. Some people would argue it's kind of like a gin mojito, but let's not go down that road. And for this cocktail, I'm gonna be using, this is Moses Blue Gin. So I wanted to give a, hopefully, slightly different color to the cocktail. To be honest, I've not made it with this just yet, so I'm not sure if it's gonna come out a slight pink color. It should do, because it's a color changing gin. So when you add citrus to it, you should get a nice pink / purple hue. But anyway, let's jump into the drink. It's gonna be a shake and strain cocktail, and we're gonna kick off with some fresh mint, and I'm talking freshness. And you want about 10 mint leaves, I guess. I don't know how many I've got now, but a handful. And you want to make sure that you have a nice sprig left for garnish at the end. Now you can just kind of muddle it, bash it a little bit inside the bottom of the glass, just to bruise it and release those minty flavors, and just piss off everybody else in the bar who's waiting for a cocktail as you play a tune whilst bashing your mint. Now we need our Moses Blue color changing gin. Oh, look at that. That is the perfect amount. A double shot, a little bit more in there because why not? Can do. Gin's favorite citrus friend, lemon. We're gonna have one shot. I'm just gonna freestyle it. And then to balance it out, we do need some sugar syrup, some rich sugar syrup. Rich means 2 parts sugar, 1 part water. But again, it's up to you. If you don't like things very, very sweet, you can use a 1-to-1 ratio. Completely your choice. Some recipes, well, the classic recipe calls for a chilled glass with no ice. I don't want to do that. I think it'll be too much soda going on top of the drink. So I want ice in my glass, and I'll just give it a quick stir. Plenty of ice. Now shake it like you hate it. Or just shake it, it's okay. Yes. Well, do you know what it smells like? Gin. Minty gin. And then we want a fine strain. It's got tiny bits of broken up pieces of mint, which I don't want in the drink. So we're just gonna gently fine strain that. We might get some of those bits of mint come through, some smaller pieces. And if so, that's fine. It'll just add another dimension to the cocktail. Splendid, splendid. Top up with some soda. Ooh. Got a nice big fat piece of mint. Oh, you see a lot of people doing this with their mint. Oh, yes. Do you know what they're doing? Cleaning the glass. There's dust on the glass. No, supposed to release those minty flavors. And it does, you know, when you're in a cocktail bar and you're doing this, I can smell just mint everywhere right now. And it really does help with the upsell of your cocktail. I'm just gonna pop that into the side of the drink. And of course, well, not of course, but I'm gonna put a straw in this one. I like the simplicity of this cocktail, and that mint sprig is just delightful. So I want a straw to go with it, and that is the Southside Fizz Fizzy. Refreshing, I'll give it that. Minty, kind of you get this floral taste as well. The gin that I've used, the Moses Blue Gin, has quite a floral edge to it. It's slightly sweet, but you've got a nice strong gin flavor. You're balancing it out with the lemon and the sugar really nicely. And that mint just gives it that nice refreshing taste. Now before the soda, it was quite a strong, minty, ginny drink. The soda really does help out. In fact, I am gonna put a splash more on there because now I understand perhaps why they like to put it in a tall glass, a tall chilled glass without ice. But I still think it'd be too over diluted if I did that. But there we go. That is the Southside Fizz. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video if you like cocktails, or don't, it's up to you. And until next week, I'll see you then. I'm going to drink this.